How to fix if Google Play Store is no longer updating or downloading apps on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if your Google Play Store is not updating apps at all. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now this could happen due to multiple reasons. It's not because there is just one particular reason. There could be multiple factors behind it. So make sure to follow all the steps, because if one solution doesn't work for you, just try to do the another one. So first of all, we'll go to settings and we'll go to apps. Once you go to apps, on the list of these apps, just look for Google Play Store, or you can simply search for it using the search box at the very top. Simply type in Google Play Store. Once you search for Google Play Store, select it over here. And what you want to do is you want to go to storage, clear the cache, and then clear the data as well. Once you clear the cache files and data, try to open up Play Store and see if it downloads any type of applications and so on. If it doesn't, the other reason could be also because the update has some bugs. So we're going to uninstall the updates of Google Play Store. Tap on the three dots, select uninstall updates, and it will uninstall the updates of the Google Play Store and it will revert it back to the factory version. So you can just go ahead and open up Google Play Store, and now you can try to go ahead and check if there are any types of bugs and so on. If this doesn't solve a problem as well, the problem could also be with your accounts. So I would recommend you to simply sign out of a particular account and sign in back again. So open up settings and then go to the option called accounts and backup. Once you go to accounts and backup, go to manage accounts. Over here, remove the Gmail account which you're using and then re-add them back into your Play Store again. If you're not being able to fix the option still, you can see the update is actually complete setup by installing apps. So if the Google Play Store is also out of date, we will update our Google Play Store as well. So tap on the profile icon on the top right and go to settings. Once you go to settings, select about over here, scroll down and select update Play Store. Once you select update Play Store, you can see a new version of Play Store will be actually downloaded and installed. So make sure to actually follow those steps as well. Once you've done that, it will most likely just go ahead and then update your apps as well. And hopefully one of these would have definitely solved a problem. If it did help solve a problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.